Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must begin by knowing who you serve and why they click. Once done, pick one niche and map 3 topic clusters for 30 days of videos. Then create a 0-10-0, 20 hook, and a consistent thumbnail template so the algorithm recognizes pattern signals. Make sure to build a keyword seed list from actual search phrases. You'll record the first 3 videos back-to-back, optimize titles and descriptions, and publish on a regular cadence to start accumulating data. You will now amplify signals that tell the algorithm to promote you. First, optimize metadata. Use focused titles, relevant tags, and a 250-300 word description that naturally repeats main keywords. Once published, push for views in the first 24-72 hours via playlists, a pinned comment with CTA, and sharing to 3 targeted communities. Make sure to improve retention by tightening edits, adding chapters, and running quick A/B thumbnail tests. Higher average view duration and click-through rate directly influence recommendation weight. To finish and scale, read the 48-96-hour metrics like CTR, average view duration, impression sources, and precise drop-off points. Those numbers tell you what to change. Once you identify the single strongest lever, iterate with one change per subsequent video. Swap the thumbnail, tighten the hook, or change editing rhythm so you measure impact. Make sure to re-promote your top-performing video if growth stalls and fix metadata errors. This troubleshooting tip often restarts the recommendation loop and restores momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.